I'm here a couple of times a week. If I'm not on the golf course, I'm in here. So 7 days a week I'm playing golf. So I practice here and then I go out to the course and put my practice sessions here, take it out on the course and see the benefits there. I'm able to gauge the distance of my clubs accurately on the simulator here, which gives me a much better indication when I go out onto the course. I know which club to use. I've been able to practice shot shaping and the other elements of the game in here, and it definitely transfers directly out onto the course when I play. It's just a brilliant system. He's able to provide me with step-by-step improvements to my game and tips which I work on in my own time. When I think I've achieved that particular element, I just send the video clip back through to the system, gets analysed, get the feedback, and then we move on to the next step. So it's just a superb system. If you're trying to teach yourself from books, videos, DVDs, you're not getting that feedback. So I had faults that I wasn't aware of. So you can't improve on your own unless you've got that regular feedback. So through Steve and the swing index system, I'm getting that feedback. Definitely works. There's no doubt in my mind at all. It's great.